One fine morning, our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man was out on patrol, keeping an eye on the city he loves so much. Little did he know, today would be a day full of adventures and helping people. Spider-Man hears a girl crying on the street. He swings down to find a little girl pointing up. Her balloons are stuck in the electric pole cables.
Don't worry, little one, I've got this.
A little girl pointing up at the sky. Her balloon is stuck in the cables. Don't worry, little one, I've got this.
As Spider-Man swings away,
As Spider-Man swings away,
he hears barking. He finds a lost puppy sitting around the park streets, scared and confused. Spider-Man, hang on, little buddy. Let's find your owner. Spider-Man carefully scoops up the puppy and searches the neighborhood. Along the way, he encounters different people,
Hang on, little buddy. Let's
all trying to help.
Here's barking. He finds a lost puppy sitting around the park street, scared and confused. Hang on, little buddy. Let's find your owner. Here's barking. He finds a lost puppy.
Finally, they find the puppy's owner,
Scared and confused.
a relieved girl, who thanks Spider-Man
Hang on,
for reuniting him with his best friend.
owner. With Spider-Man,
Spider-Man sees an elderly
we're
woman
delivered in.
struggling to carry heavy grocery bags home.
The elderly woman was so thankful.
Let me help you with those.
Felt happy to lend a hand. With Spider-Man's help, the groceries were delivered in on time. The elderly woman was so thankful, and Spider-Man felt happy to lend.
With Spider-Man's help, the groceries were delivered
With Spider-Man,
in on time.
the groceries
The elderly woman was so thankful,
on time.
and Spider-Man felt happy to lend a hand.
The woman was so thankful, and Spider-Man felt happy to lend a hand. Spider-Man spots a man who has just dropped his wallet while walking down the street unaware. Excuse me, sir, you dropped this. A small act of honesty, but it made a big difference to the man. Spider-Man's quick actions kept the man's belongings safe.
A small act of honesty, but it made a big difference to the man. Spider-Man's quick actions kept the man's belongings safe.